Hey, it's Amber, and I'm just here to put a PSA out there for all you artists and what to do with your brushes when you first get them. Now, they'll have little protectors on them here and there. That one had like a plastic sleeve. This one has like a little round thing, and the most popular one I've seen are these like little tubes. I've only got like 4 of them on there, but on top of those being like having a little plastic thing on them, they also have a little water soluble glue holding them together, typically like gum arabic, to protect the bristles. So when you go to like use them at first, they'll kind of look like this, and they're all like stuck together when it should really be looking like this. All you have to do to get rid of this is 1, start up your water. Doesn't have to be anything special, you know, just warm water, not too cold, so in that way it goes faster, and not too hot so it doesn't take off the glue in the fertile, which is holding the bristles together in the brush. And there you go, nothing much to it. That's it. It only takes about 30 seconds tops, and after that you're going to dry it off with a towel. Careful to reshape the bristles the way it's supposed to look, depending on the brush. This one's round. And then I just do that to all my brushes, even if it doesn't seem there's really anything on it. It helps soften them up if there is something on it, and that way I just know for sure it's all good to go. Also, I noticed I used a lot of water here, and I probably should have just like filled up a part of the sink or like a bucket or a bowl. That way I could have saved water, but it happened. But it's all done. That's all you have to do. Nothing else to it. You don't use soap or anything. I heard some people like conditioning the bristles, but you know. And then you take those plastic things, throw them away. You don't need them. You don't need them in your life. And there you go. You got a bunch of new handsome brushes to use. Enjoy.